Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I will show you how to add mixed fraction. Solution: 2 1/4 plus 3 2/3 is equal to, we have to change this mixed number to improper fraction. How do we change it? We say 4 times 2 plus 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 gives you 9. 9/4. We keep the sign plus here, plus. We change 3 2/3 to improper fraction, meaning 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11/3. Next, we look for the LCM. The LCM, when we times the denominator, which is 12, over, we multiply 3 times 9 gives us 27, plus 4 times 11 gives us 44. Then if we add these two, it will give us 71/12. We have to change it back to mixed number, which gives us 5 whole number, 11/12. Or we can solve this by saying 2 1/4 plus 3 2/3 is the same thing as, this case we don't have to change the mixed number into proper fraction. What you do, you add the whole numbers, which is 3 and 2, which gives us 5. Then the denominator, we look for the LCM, which is 12. When we times these two, 4 into 12 gives you 3. 3 times 1 gives you 3, plus 3 into 12 gives you 4. 4 times 2 equals to 8. When we add up this, we have 5. 8 plus 3 gives you 11/12, which is the final answer. If you compare this answer to this answer, they are the same. So which method you use, it will work for you. If you know this help, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.